If welding is what you want to do, come to Sheridan College.
At Sheridan College, we like to give our students a foundation for building their welding career. So we start out with the basics and we work them right on up to their skill level as they go through the program, getting better and better, so that when they get out, they can work anywhere from a local industry here in town to anywhere across the country. If they want to travel, they can go just about anywhere in the States and around the world if they want.
The welding here, you learn all the positions needed for real life welding, all the different machines you'll use, all the different techniques.
Sheridan College just has built a new welding facility. I think it's here behind me in the picture. In that we have equipment to do stick welding, MIG welding, TIG welding. We're implementing a new computer-controlled plasma cutting on plate and on pipe, as well as we do have a robot that will be starting in the spring of 2019 doing classes in automation on the robot.
This program is definitely going to help me get a good job, and I'll learn everything that I need to learn before I get into the real world, so I'm excited to see what the future has for welding.
My favorite part about teaching welding is the interaction with the students. They're a different group of people and they're fun to work with, and I really enjoy the interactions and seeing them go from some of them that have never even struck an arc before, and then when they get out of here, being able to go again to the workforce. That's really our goal, is to get them into the workforce and make money. So it's a joy to see them succeed.